8th grade, the next few days we're going to be going over our CPR unit. Make sure that you are attentive to all of the information that is given so that you can gain knowledge about CPR and master the hands-on activities. To begin this unit, you are going to take a pre-test. It is completely okay if you get the answers wrong. This is just going to gauge to see what you know about CPR. Please do not look up the answers. Again, it is completely okay if you do not know the answers to some of the questions. At the end of this unit, we will take a post-test. There will be a written and a hands-on test to pass this CPR unit. This test should show growth of your understanding and knowledge of CPR and how to perform hands-only CPR on a victim. Right now, if you have not already done so, please get out a sheet of paper and a writing utensil. On your own sheet of paper, write down each question. Then write out each answer choice. For example, record the letter and then write out your answer choice. For example, B, cardiac arrest. Reminder, do not look up the answers. It is okay if you do not know the answer to these questions. Number 1. What does the acronym CPR stand for? A. Cardiopulmonary resurrection. B. Cardiac pulmonary resuscitation. C. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Number 2. What does cardio mean? A. Heart attack. B. Of the heart. C. An exercise that gets your heart rate up. What does pulmonary mean? Of the lungs. B. Pulse of your heart. Four. What does resuscitation mean? Heart starts to beat. B. Do not have a pulse. C. To revive or bring a person back to life. What does cardiac arrest mean? A person's heart is beating too fast. B. A person's heart is beating too slow. C. A person's heart stops beating. 6. How do you know when someone has a cardiac arrest? A. The victim is shaking violently. B. The victim collapses. They are unresponsive and not breathing. C. The victim collapses. They are unresponsive and they are having trouble breathing and gasping for air. Number 7. What is hands-only CPR? A. Use the hands to push on the chest 10 times. B. Use hands to push on the chest at a rate of 50 pushes per minute. C. Use hands to push on the chest at a rate of 100 pushes per minute. Why is hands-only CPR so important? When you push on a person's chest, it A. Pumps blood to the heart. B. Pumps blood to the brain. C. Pumps blood to the brain and the heart. Nine. When pushing on a victim's chest, you should push A. Hard. An injury is unlikely. It could possibly occur. B. Soft. You don't want to cause an injury. How much can CPR improve the chances of survival? A. It gives a person a 50-50 chance of survival. B. It can double a person's chance of survival. C. It can triple a person's chance of survival. 11. What are reasons people do not want to give CPR? A. People are afraid and they panic. B. People do not want to hurt the victim. C. Many do not know how to perform CPR. What does the acronym AED mean? A. Auxiliary electric defibrillator. B. Automatic external defibrillator. C. Automated external device. 13. What is an AED? A. It sends an electric shock to restart the heart. B. It sends an electric shock to shock a person's body. C. An electric shock that pumps blood through the body. This is the conclusion of your pretest. Make sure that you keep this pretest along with all of your CPR unit notes. Right now, go and watch CPR video part 2.